Kane is in the building.
The Swiss ball full crunch. Why is it the only crunch exercise I use and recommend? Let's take a look. Okie doke, the Swiss ball full crunch is a much healthier option for your lower back. Crunching off the floor is doing more harm than good in my opinion. With the Swiss ball you're going into full extension and then up into a fully shortened flexed position, so the spine's working through its optimal range. When you're crunching off the floor, you're encouraging poor posture and you're not working the muscles through a full range of motion, and a lot of load goes on the lower back. With the Swiss ball is fully supporting the lower back. The wider your feet are, the more stability you're creating with your feet. The narrower, the more instability you're going to have with the exercise. As I come up, I'm squeezing my elbows hard into my hips, and you'll notice there's two parts to the movement. I roll my head up, or my spine up, like a piece of carpet. I tuck the chin in with the tongue on the roof of the mouth first, and then I activate the upper abdominals and squeeze up and try and shorten as hard as I can. Notice I'm not coming right up onto my bum, I'm just getting that abdominal wall between the bottom of the rib cage and the pelvis into that really shortened position and squeezing on the breath out. Next, I've got some stills here of positions that people often find themselves in when they're doing these type of exercises. So in this one, I'm really up. My weight is on my bum, so the core activation and the core demand has very much diminished in that position. I've come up too far. And secondly, there's another one here of me really leading with my neck, with my chin tucked out, and there's a lot of excess load going into the cervical vertebra. So just things to watch out with that one. Give it a go and let us know how it feels for you.